Taxes stressing you out already? Let's ditch the paper chase and make tax season a breeze by learning how to grab your W-2 directly from Workday. First things first, fire up your favorite web browser and head over to your company's Workday login page. Use your employee ID and password to log in. If you're having trouble remembering your password, click the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions. Once you're logged in, look for the search bar at the top of the page, usually labeled Search Type in Tax Documents. You should see options like Tax Documents or My Tax Documents appear in the search results. Click on the one that best describes accessing your tax forms. Now you should be on the Tax Documents page. Here, you'll see a list of available tax forms, including your W-2 for the relevant tax year. Make sure you select the correct year if multiple years are available. Click on the W-2 link to view it. A new window or tab will pop up displaying your W-2 form. From here, you can download it as a PDF file by clicking the download icon, usually a downward pointing arrow, or print it directly by selecting the print option. Save the downloaded file to a safe and easily accessible location on your computer or device. That way, you'll always know where to find it when you need it for filing your taxes. Having trouble finding your W-2? Contact your HR department or check Workday's help resources for further assistance. They can guide you through any specific issues you may encounter. And that's it. You've successfully accessed and downloaded your W-2 from Workday. Now you're one step closer to conquering tax season. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Workday tips.